Okay, so we are going to see how the Google Ads are showing the advertisements for the relevant keyword, and what are the factors that will affect. If Just give me a minute. Okay, so we are going to see like how the ad ranks are going to be there, and how the ads will be shown, and what are the places that Google Ads will be shown, and what are the factors that will be affecting the Google Ads. Okay, all right. Okay, so the Google platform has a lot of advertisement platforms. I mean, a lot of ad platforms. Like for an example, we can create search advertisement, we can create display advertisement, or else we can create some smart advertisement, and even we can able to create YouTube video advertisements in Google Ads platform. So we will be seeing what are the ad platform formats that we can able to create in Google, and how we can able to create it, and how the results will be. Okay, so let me to take as an example for Google search ads today. And if you wish, you want to see some of your competitors' advertisement, you can let me know. So based on that, we can able to have some searches related to your business, and from there, we can able to check out what are the advertisements that are shown for your competitive keywords, and how the others are optimizing for those keywords and ad structure and all those things. So if you have any keyword in your mind, that if you feel that advertisers are putting advertisement, and that is a business that parallelly you are doing as well. If you have any keywords, then you can let me know.
This homeschooling.
Ha ha ha. About schooling. Okay. What is the term? What is the search term?
Home, homeschooling.
I'm sorry.
Homeschooling.
Homeschooling. Okay.
No, no, I'll type here. Homeschooling.
Okay.
One second.
Okay. So homeschooling.
Yeah.
We didn't received any advertisements still now. And let me to search
Because
for.
now they have banned the online. No, that is the problem. They are
Okay.
saying we should not supposed to take online classes till by fifth class.
Oh, is it? Okay, okay. I
So
don't
that is
know.
the thing.
Okay, okay,
We
fine then.
just we just started today, but we
Uh-huh.
don't know that how long because it's a strict warning that we should not start online classes. So now
Okay,
people are changing to the term homeschooling.
okay, okay. Is it okay, okay, okay? So that's why they are changing to homeschooling.
Yeah, they are changing that term to homeschooling. That is the
Okay,
new. They are not calling it as a online classes. Now they are changing to homeschool.
okay then. Okay, okay. I understood. I understood. All right. So I think I'm not sure how many are advertising currently.
Yeah, yeah.
Let me to check out some examples as well. Though there is no actual data available, the most relevant methods in India are okay Montessori method and okay unschooling. Okay, all right, fine. So I could not able to see advertisements for these keywords right now. And let me to check. Is there any competitor for the keyword online uh,
Yeah, online classes for
classes for kids? So I'm seeing a lot of advertisement. I'm seeing a lot of
yeah,
advertisement, I think. So I can see live online school for kids, best 1:1, and classes for age 6 to 12. Uh, so I
yeah.
think they had started their campaign. So the advertisements are running currently. Let's see. And we have some other as well, online coding classes, etc. So we have four advertisements. So that means they had started working on the projects, I think. Okay, that's great. So we will see all these advertisements now. Okay. So what are the factors that we will what are the factors that will come in the for Google Ads when we are searching for some keyword, like online classes for kids? This is the keyword that I had searched for. So when it comes to advertisements, the top four is allocated for advertisements as of now by Google, and after this top four results, the lower end of the page, which is this will have around four advertisements, which will have on the same page, which will have four advertisements. So there is an option for four advertisements at the top and four advertisements in the bottom, and similarly it will be available in the next page as well if the advertisements are available. Like here we have two advertisements here, so maximum is four advertisements. Okay, so four advertisements at the top position, and four advertisement at the lower position. Okay, all right. Okay, so how the ads has been structured, so he can so here there is a advertisement difference we can able to see. So one is the top advertisements has higher kind of opportunity for the people to come and click the advertisement. They are giving a higher opportunity for the top placement, and they are giving the next higher next higher option for the second advertisement, and then comes to the third, and then comes to the fourth. You can able to see the these are the extensions like additional to the advertisement, like URL, title, and then the description. We can able to see two site extensions. These two extensions, these are provided to the top advertisement. Okay, and similarly for the second advertisement, we have a phone number extension, there is call extension which is available as a reward. And for the fourth, I mean, and for the third one and the fourth one, we do not have any other extensions rather than even the description. We have only one line which has been shown, right? So they are utilizing the this is a complete ad placement that Google is offering for the advertisement. So among this complete placement, almost around 30% of the space they are providing it for the opportunity of the top advertisement, right? So what is the factor that will be concerned for the top advertisement? So is it the bidding, or is it the ranking, or is it the quality, or what is it? So primarily, even though it is a Google ads, Google has a high concern that the advertisements has to deliver the value which people are which for whom the people are searching for the keyword. So Google will give all the additional features of extensions and higher opportunity for the audience to click through if we have the factors such as ad relevance and the landing page experience and ad rank and quality score. So these are the primary. Then comes the bidding. So of course bidding will have a higher impact, but it is a combination of bidding and ad rank, or otherwise I can say combination of bidding and the quality score. So I can able to write it here. So ad rank is the one thing which says the position of the rank. So there are positions: ad rank one, ad rank two, ad rank three, ad rank four. So here we have ad rank one, ad rank two, ad rank three, ad rank four. Okay. So ad rank is going to be defined in a way, it is going to be as a formula of the first thing is it is going to be a formula, so which is not going to be equal to or into or something. It's an algorithm through which the first is bidding, okay, and quality score, and along with quality score, the landing page experience, okay, and then we have the quality score bidding we have, and quality score we have, and then landing page experience we have, and apart from this we have ad relevance. Okay, so these are the factors that will affect the total final ad relevance, I mean ad ranking. Okay, so suppose for an example, a person is making a bidding making a bidding for $1. Okay, and his quality score and landing page complete ad pages and ad experience relevant score is 10 out of 10. So his advertisement will be positioned at the top. Okay, and additionally he will be rewarded with extensions, and the call extensions and all those things will be available. Okay, suppose there is another person who is also providing the same the $1, and his ad relevance score is 8. So his position is going to be rank 2. Okay, then so that means not only the value that they are going to rank. Apart from this, of course, there is a quality score, or I can say the cumulative score of quality, landing page experience, and ad relevance that is going to define which position the ad is going to be. So hope you can able to assume or something, you can able to match out with something which we had already studied, which is SEO, how the ranking is done. It's not at all bidding completely based on how the ad is highly relevant to the search result. So that is the same thing that they are discussing here: landing page experience, H1 tag, H2 tag, and ad relevance. Ad relevance is nothing but the website relevance for the keyword that we had previously studied in the SEO. So similarly, ad relevance we can able to improve with the help of keyword deploying in the title, keyword in the description, and keyword in the URL. So by this way, we can able to improve the ad relevance. Okay, so by this way, our quality score will be increased as a cumulative, like ad relevance and URL and click through rate. How the click through rate is expected. So I can add the click through rate as well here. Expected CTC. So these are the things which will be considered. When it is going to when a particular ad rank is going to be deployed given for a particular advertisement. The click through rate is nothing but we expect that there will be a lot of people who will be clicking this advertisement, and if the click through rate increases, that advertisement will go to the top. Okay, even if in the same scenario, in the advertisement sample which I had shown you, if when people are highly interested in the second URL, because the click through rate increases, this will go to the top. Okay, so this will take a short duration, but the duration will be much shorter than how the SEO will be. Like Google will take approximately around 15 days for any advertisement. While we are going to start running the advertisement, it will take approximately 15 days for the learning period. Even it will be mentioned in the bracket itself. There is a learning. Google has been deployed in the learning period. So after 15 days, the proper result will be there for us, or I can say the best result will be coming after 15 days when it comes to Google advertisement. Okay, so during these 15 days, it will be calculating how the click through rate is, how the audience interaction with the landing page. Suppose for an example, when they landed to a landing page and they had time spent a lot of amount on the landing page, and they had interacted in the form, or they had interacted to the other page of the website, then the landing page experience will be considered at a better rate, better score, and so that it will increase the ranking for the particular advertisement in a shorter duration. So what is going to happen in the 3 months, in the SEO, it is going to happen in 15 days. So that is a difference. So SEO and Google Ads almost the same process. SEO takes 3 months. Slowly it will calculate, it will analyze, and it will read the audience how they are interacting with the advertisement. Based on that, it will give a score, and it will show it will fix a ranking for the particular website. Similarly, when it comes to ad ranks, during the 15 days, it will make the calculations, it will find out how the people are interacting, and based on the score increases, when the score increases, our position increases, so that we will get a lot of leads, and lot of leads by spending the same value, or with the spending of lesser value. So that is how we are getting a higher return on investment through Google advertisement, through Google search advertisement. Okay, hope you had understood how the Google will be analyzing and finding out the results, and matching out the ranking factor for a particular keyword while the people are searching for. Okay, that's great. So right now we are going to see how we can able to create a Google advertisement, and what are the categories that are there in the Google advertisement. Okay, so I'm in the Google Ads platform. So this is the place where we will be creating the Google advertisement. This is the place where we will be creating the Google advertisement. So Google advertisement has, this is actually a Google ad which is running currently. I mean, not it's running, but for the experiment purpose. I will show you something better, so we can able to, that might not also be running. Um, Vanch at server supply. Okay, so it's fine. So we will study in this itself. Okay, so this is how the advertisement will be there, right? So these are the call extensions that I had created. I mean, site extensions that I had created, marketing plan and social branding, email marketing, paid ads, and etc. Okay, so let me to show you how we can able to create an advertisement. So this is the place where we'll be having all the campaigns that we had created for a particular segment, or the advertisement that we had created for. So all those campaigns are the master configurations, and from which we are going to configure the details for the Google ad groups, and from the ad groups you are going to configure for the Google ads and extensions. Okay, hope you remember these studies in the one day workshop. And let me to revise you one more time. So what we had read. I think, oh my god, my trial has been expired. Okay, but you can still edit your last three saved boats. Okay. Okay, let me just see what is a subscriber plan. Okay, anyway, fine. Done then. So let me to create something new. Okay, so right now, we are going to see what are the things that are in the Google Ads, Google advertisement. Okay, so this is how the structure of Google Ads is. We will be having campaign, we'll be having ad groups, and we'll be having ads. Okay, so inside the campaigns, we are going to configure, we will be configuring the location where we are going to target, and what is the bidding style. I mean bidding method. Then we will be, just give me a minute. சொல்லு சரி, அமைதியா இரு, நான் பேசிட்டு இருக்கேன். Okay, so one is the location, then it is the bidding method that we are going to do, and after that, what are the types of advertisements that we are going to configure. Ad types. You can say the goal setting. That is a much appropriate word. Okay, and we can also add negative keywords. Okay, so these are the things that I can able to configure in campaign. And then what I can do with the ad groups. So ad groups I can able to create multiple groups. Campaign as well, I can able to create multiple campaign, but I can able to create in an account, not inside a campaign. So I can able to create multiple campaigns. Okay, so inside each group I can able to create keywords. Okay, what are the keywords? Okay, so I can able to create multiple keywords inside a single ad group. Like for an example, I can able to add 10 keywords or 20 or 100 keywords inside a single ad group. Okay, and I can able to configure what is the bidding that I am offering for a keyword. Like what is the maximum if I want to increase specifically a keyword that I want to increase a total percentage of bidding that I can able to do. Bidding configuration. else I can make it here. Okay, so one is bidding configuration. Then I can able to fix what is a match type. Okay, and as well as I can able to include the negative keywords that whatever that I had planned for the campaign, that I can able to implement only for the ad group as well. Okay, and then what I can do with advertisements, I can able to give the URL, title, description. So the title will be mentioned as heading 1, heading 2, and heading 3. So I'm going to mention as heading, description, and extensions. Okay, so these are the things which I can able to create in a particular advertisement, and I can able to create two types of advertisements. One is text advertisements. uh, okay, so one is, we can able to create some text advertisement. Otherwise, we can able to create some responsive advertisement. So these are the options that we have in an ad group, that in the advertisement that we can able to create. Okay, all right. So let us go into the platform and we will see what are the how the structure of campaign we can create, and how the ads ads we can able to create with the help of Google Ads platform. Okay, so right now I'm into the master campaign. So I'm going to create a new campaign. Okay, I'm in the account. I'm going to create a new campaign now. So the new campaign is a method through which we can able to create a new advertisement, new search advertisement. And similarly, search we can able to explore all the other type of the advertisements. What are the options that are provided with the advertisement, and we will have a detailed study on how all those things works. Okay, so these are the goal settings that we configure while we are going to create a Google campaign and a Google advertisement. Okay, and even we can able to create a campaign without any goal settings. We can just create based on whatever the options that are available. But usually, when we set a goal, we can able to measure the objective, whether we had reached the objective, and whether whatever that we had planned for, have we reached or not. For an example, when it comes to app promotions, we specifically required some places for the app promotion. So the app installs are common at this point, so it will be promoted in Google search, it will be promoted in Play Store, and it will be promoted in email as well. So those are the options that are available for the app. But instead, if we use the app promotion through the website clicks, possibly we might not able to get the exact result. So that is why those things has been configured based on category. Okay, so sales is the option through which we can able to make online sales through the e-commerce platform. Okay, so what are the campaign types that we can able to create with this? So one is search advertisement, then we can create a display advertisement, then we can create a shopping advertisement, and then we can create a video advertisement, and then we can use a smart advertisement, and then discovery. Okay, so if you have any doubts in what is that campaign types or something, you can ask me. So search campaign we had already seen, and display campaign, in the sense, these are the campaigns which we create for the partner sites of Google. So these display advertisement will not be shown in the Google search result, but it will be shown in the partner sites of Google, like AdSense, wherever the places where they had implemented the AdSense account. In those places, we can able to show the display, we can able to show the image advertisements there. Okay, so that is what it comes in the display. And shopping advertisements are the advertisements or the products and prices which will be shown in the Google as a sponsored advertisement, shopping sponsored advertisement, which where we can able to include all the products with the pricing. And when people can able to when they are searching in the Google for a particular product, all the products which along with their e-commerce website, we can able to configure using a shopping advertisement. Okay, let me just show how it is. I'm going to search for pen drive. So here we have, this is what the shopping advertisement is. So along with the all website detail, we have the product and we have the pricing. So these are the data which has been taken from the e-commerce platform, and it has been shown here. So these advertisements we can able to create with the help of shopping advertisement. Okay, and the video advertisement which will be running in YouTube, we can create a video, we can upload this video into the YouTube, and we can start promoting the video with the help of targeting the audience. Okay, and smart advertisements are one thing, something, which we'll be creating some text advertisements, or otherwise, we will be creating some text advertisements which will be shown in display advertisements as well, as well as it will be shown in the Google search advertisement as well. So the advertisement will look like a display advertisement with the help of an image and with the help of a title and a button. Okay, let me just show you how that smart advertisement will be looking like. So here we have the responsive display ads, which we can able to create with the help of smart advertisement. So this is a responsive display advertisement, which we can able to create, and it will give a lot of return, because it has a lot of text element inside this image. For an example, each is a banner, each is a image size which has been mentioned, which has been used for each and every placement of the website. And here we have used an image, and here we have used the title, and here we have used the logo, and then here is the description. So we will be giving to Google multiple variant of the title, multiple variant of the description, and multiple variant of the image that has to be used, and multiple variant of the logo, one or two sizes of the logo. Okay, when we provide these data to Google, Google will find a proper location, and wherever it is required, it will change the layout accordingly, and it will be showing the advertisements. Okay, so by that way, we can able to identify what is the text, and how the relevance of the text with respect to the advertisement people who are looking for, and which link audience are interested in, and how the click through rate are. So those data Google can able to optimize much better when there is a mixed version of text plus images there. Okay, so this is what we call responsive display advertisement, and this is a recent method of how the display advertisements has been replaced when it comes to the previous method. Okay, all right. So this discovery. Okay, let me to check it out. So sales advertisement has one more option which is called discovery. So this discovery has been recently introduced by Google. For which when people are looking for something to learn, or something to travel, or something to cook, or something, at that position, these kind of advertisements will be shown. For an example, these kind of advertisement will be found in YouTube, and these kind of advertisements will be found in Google search, and these kind of advertisements will be found in the partner sites. Okay, so this discovery advertisement will be something like some sliders we can able to use, where people can able to scroll, and they can able to see. For an example, let me to show here. Okay, so here we can able to see. So this is something related to the blog that people are when they are searching for. For example, if they are looking for some food related tips, or something which they would like to learn or explore. It is not buyer intent. People looks to explore, people looks to learn more, people looks to see more. So in those places, a separately created advertisement with the image and with the text and with the description will be shown. Okay, so this is how the discovery advertisements will be working out. So it'll be basically finding the opportunity and places where the advertisement can be shown when people are searching for based on the category and what they are looking for. Okay, so this is what it is called, discovery advertisements. And so these are the options that are available for the sales goal, that when people used to make a sales online. Okay, done. So what are the things which will come into leads? So leads, in the sense, we will be generating people to take some match. For an example, if we have a form in our website, and from this website, from this form, we want to take leads, okay, rather than a sale. So those advertisement will be considered as lead advertisement. For an example, I will let me to show you. Most of the search advertisements will be of lead based advertisements only. I'm going to show you some of the examples. I'm going to show you fixed deposit. Okay, done. So I had received advertisement here, Policy Bazaar, 9%. So let me to check it out where they are leading to. So growth plans and etc. I think most possibly it will be landed in a landing page. So this landing page will have a form, and from this form, they will be taking uh, the data of the advertise the people who are searching for, and from there, they will be contacting through a salesperson, and they will try to convert it. Okay, so this is how the lead process will be happen. So direct the lead process, the direct sales will not happen. Rather, they will collect the people data who are all interested in the particular what they are looking for, and from there they will be using a salesperson to convey all those details, and they will be making the conversions. Okay, so this is what we call as lead goal. So for here, we can able to see the name, mobile number, and email ID. These are the three data that will be collected once the people land on this page, and there won't be much of any other data. So simply the people who are going to come here, they will be having seeing some few features, and they'll be giving the data to view more plans, or might be like to talk to get the submission or something. Okay, so this is how the lead form I mean this is how the lead goal based advertisements will be working on. So for those purpose, we will be using the leads. You'll be using the leads campaign. So shopping campaign, which I had already, sales based campaign, which I had already shown you, like when we are searching for drive. So I'm getting some advertisements here. Okay, when I click this advertisement, so I'm getting a direct convert cart place where the pricing will be there. So I have to put the detail, and I'll be adding the cart, right? So where the conversions will be happening. So there will be a script which will be attached with this particular page. And when people had made the conversion, when people had made the submission or payment successful, from that Google will get the understanding that the sales has been done. So by this way, Google can able to understand that a conversion has been happened. Okay, so this is how it works. This is how it works when we are going to use a sales based campaign. And then we have the website traffic. Okay, so what is website traffic? So we have search, display, and shopping. Okay, we had read all those things. What is website traffic? Website traffic means we take the people from the search engine, and we make them to land it in our website. Okay, by this way, we will be getting a lot of website traffic. So here, the objective will be based on how many people are clicking the particular website link, link, and it will be optimized for the link purpose. Okay, like when we have seen some other examples, like mm, okay, like for an example, I'm going to search for golf products. So this is a website. So here, the link is directly leading to the homepage of the website, by which they are going to get a huge amount of traffic from the people who are searching for those for those keywords. Okay, so here the objective will be how many people had clicked the particular advertisement. That is what the objective of the Google will be. So whoever is it will be optimized for the clicks, number of clicks that had happened through the advertisements that had been running on. Okay, now operational and accepting orders. Okay, that's fine. Many business, I think it had opened currently, and I think I had seen a lot of advertisements in most of the segments. So I think they had started the business. All right. Okay, so next what we're going to see, what is the next type? Brand and product consideration. Simple, we are going to use some display and video advertisement so that people will use to see that as a brand, and from that, the conversion will be increased. And what is brand awareness and reach? Simple, the city is also going to be in the same way. We are going to use a display and video advertisement, and from which, people will be having a good brand awareness, and it will have a higher reach. That means many people will get to know the logo of the company. Many people will get to know about the advertisement of a company. So by which, there will be an online branding creation part will be there. So for those purpose, this brand awareness campaign will be useful. And app promotion, suppose if we have a mobile application and we want to promote those mobile applications for a higher installs, so for those purpose we can use this app promotions. So this currently app promotion, it will be running in all the platforms, like as we had previously seen, in search, in display, or otherwise in play store or in gmail. Wherever the opportunity comes, there the app promotions will be running. So right now, the app promotions are not so highly configurable like the other campaigns right now how we are creating. So app promotions will be a single master configuration. Once done, our advertisements of the apps will be available in all the platforms, and as well as in-app purchase options advertisements are also there, where inside of one application the other application's advertisement will be shown, and from that the conversions will happen. Okay, so these are the available goals which we can able to configure while we are going to create a new campaign. Okay, so right now what we are going to see, we are going to see how to create a website traffic. Okay. Okay, so while we are going to create a website traffic, we have search advertisement option, display advertisement option, shopping advertisement option, video advertisement option, and discovery advertisement option. Okay, so this discovery advertisement will be running in YouTube, Gmail. I think let me to read it. It clicks to your website from customers most likely to make a purchase with visually rich, personalized ads that shows across YouTube, Gmail, Discover, and more. Okay, so that means it will be fine, it will be reaching out the people who are looking to explore more. So that is where these advertisements will be shown. So anyway, so right now we are going to create a search advertisement. Okay, so let us read what the search advertisement says. Reach customers interested in your product or service with text ads. So text ads are the simplest version for creating the advertisement, as well as text ads for the search advertisements is the highly result oriented search results till now. Okay, so because people are searching for a keyword, they are highly potential leads. So from there we are getting the leads, so that we can assure that there is a good performance will be there when we are running a search advertisement. Okay, so right now we are going to create a search advertisement. So we will choose the search advertisement and we will see what are the other options. Okay, so while you are going to create a search advertisement, it asks for a option that enter your website name, and from which it will find out what are the relevant keywords. Okay, then we will be using the continue. And one more thing is this particular today's session, it has been configured, it has been planned for the Google Ads fundamentals. So what are the options that are available with Google for creating an advertisement? Okay, and what are the how the Google ads are shown in the Google search result, and how it has been optimized, and how the ad structures are working on. So these are the things which we had planned for today. So that means an overview about how the Google ads works. So let us hold on at this position, and we will continue with the next process of how to create search advertisement from next class. And right now we will do one thing, we will take the time to have any question and answer session for today. We might not have the practical session today, we will have a practical session once we learned enough information about Google ads, and then we will go for a practical session on how to create a search ad for one day, and how to create a display ads for one day, and how to create a YouTube video ads for one day. Okay, all right. So right now, let us see if you have any doubts or clarifications that you require from my side. You can ask me questions.
Hello.
Yes, Vinay.
Sir, when means put the Google ad advertisement, so like money how can deduct? If anybody click, then deduct or conversion, either create lead, then deduct.
Okay, so it's really a nice question. I'm supposed to say this already. I think anyway. So it has been said in the same workshop as well. Google search advertisement will be paid to Google based on clicks, based on number of clicks and what's the cost per click. Okay, so that means when people are searching for a keyword and there are some four advertisements which are shown. For showing the advertisement, if we are the advertiser in Google, we are not going to pay to Google for showing the advertisement. But when someone clicks the advertisement, in that time we will be making a payment to the Google. Okay, so that means it is a performance based campaign, performance based advertisement. So when people clicks the advertisement, then only we'll be paying for the Google.
And sometimes, sir, what happen if like put the customer data, then we then deduct no money.
Customer data then detect the money. So the money will be detected for each and
Like
yes, go
like mobile number and email ID and then a message, then put the enter, then the money will deduct. If you don't give the data, then didn't deduct like this.
No, no, not like that. We can put the data, or we might not require to put the data. That is not a problem. But someone, when they click the advertisement, then for that click, Google will charge us. For the if they click the advertisement, then it will be charged. If they click the phone number, it will be charged. If they click some of the site extensions, then it will be charged. But we require people through the Google ads, right? Only when people click the advertisement, then only they will come to our website. So we have to expect in such a way that more people clicks the link so that we will get more customer.
Oh, means this is pay per click charges, na?
Yes, this is pay per click charges.
And only this pattern is add, only pay per click charge or any other method also.
So for Google Ads, it is only pay per click option. But apart from this Google Ads, I mean Google Search Ads, there is a Google Display Ads which is counted based on impressions. Suppose for an example, this if we show the display advertisement in partner sites of Google, and for 1,000 impressions, Google will charge some pricing like $1, $2, for example. So these charges will be applicable even whether the people click the link or when people doesn't click through the display advertisement. That is not a problem for Google. Whenever there is a advertisement has been shown, it will be charged for the number of impressions. Even if we get 1,000 number of clicks, not a problem. Even we get 500, not a problem. Even a one click, not a problem. For 1,000 impressions, we have to pay to the Google for display advertisement. Similarly, for the YouTube as well. For YouTube, it has a timing restriction. So when people cross a particular timing, then YouTube advertisement will be charged. Will be charging to the. We have to pay to the Google for viewing that particular video advertisement.
Okay.
Fine, Vinay.
The display when suppose anybody search therapy near about me, okay,
Okay.
then suppose ad will come for, so
Uh-huh.
without clicking no charges, na?
Yes, without clicking, no charges. And if nobody clicks, what is the benefit for us for running the search advertisement,
Okay, okay.
right? So anyway,
No,
the Google.
sometimes is phone number display na there, so just
That is very
call
rare. Yeah, that is
to
very
direct
rare.
to
People directly seeing the phone number and making a call is very rare. Usually, when they see an advertisement, they will click the link and they will see what is there inside. Then only they will make a call.
okay, okay, okay,
Okay. If somebody
okay,
directly calls through the
okay.
advertisement with the phone number after typing in the phone, it is a luck for you. But usually, when the people searching for this, finding this number in the phone, if they click the number, it will automatically go to the dial pad, and from where we can directly they can able to directly make a call.
And how can decide which kind of the ad is suitable for a particular profession or particular services?
I'm sorry.
How can you decide
Hmm.
which kind of the ad good for you
Okay.
according to a business or according to product?
So one thing is, we can explore all the options. Like we can use the website traffic, we can use the display advertisement. After running for 15 days, we can identify this is producing better result, this is producing lesser result. So in that way we can able to stop the other and continue the other. But ultimately everything will produce the result which is required for the business, but one will take more charge and one will be taking lesser charge. Usually wherever we say we shown the advertisements, we are showing only for the targeted audience. From there we can get the from there we can get the definite conversions. Usually if you ask me, if you go for a search advertisement, the number of conversions will be higher. At the same time the cost will also be higher.
Okay.
Fine, Vinay?
So, when means if make a filter and a filter, then charges will be increase.
What?
If we put more filter in advertisement, then
Hmm.
charges will be increase.
More filter, I think you are saying extensions. Usually yes, if there are more extensions are there, then high space will be shown, so we will be getting lot of clicks, then lot of charge will be there. But by reducing the charges, we can use the daily budget as well. If you fix some 100 rupees, only the 100 rupees, for that 100 rupees the advertisement will be shown. After that the advertisement will not be shown. So by this way we can control our budget.
Okay, okay. And what is the criteria for like the number one, number two, or number three advertisement?
What is that?
Means by the means by on the skill of the like digital marketing professional.
Skill of the digital marketing professional.
Yeah. Then it's a number one Google ad, number two, number three, number four.
Hmm.
So this is totally depend on the professional, no?
Yes, it is totally based on bidding and as well as the quality ranking. Suppose if many clicks
Bidding,
the
how can
advertisement,
do bidding?
yes, bidding in the sense what is the value that we are going to give for a single click. If we configure it, we get
So
that
how
maximum.
can know okay,
Mm.
what is the suitable bidding charges, bidding amount? How can know?
Mhm. Okay, so one option is we can give the preferred budgeting that we can able to spend. Okay, and the other ways are like there are some options which called enhanced CPC etc., through which we can able to find out what is the usual budget that happens to be there in the first page. So if we fix a maximum budget for that particular advertisement, and based on that bidding, it can able to show in the first page or second page, and based on how the output is. But it is not completely about bidding, it is also about the ad rank.
So can you check me? Suppose I want to like put ad in Google. So
Okay.
per click, how much it charges? Just I want a brief idea.
Mhm. Okay, so this one, we can able to get it from the Google Ad Keyword Planner. Okay, I will show you how this keyword planner works and how we can able to get it. So if you want to, give me a minute. Hello. Hey, yeah, class is going on here. Next 10 minutes. Okay, after 10 minutes, I will call you after 10 minutes. Okay, done. Okay. So where we had left, yes, I'm about to show you the keyword planner and what is the cost will be there. Okay. So right now I'm going to search for a keyword which is,
Like hearing aids.
hmm, yeah, hearing aids. I'm going to give the hearing aids now.
Yeah.
Okay, there are less amount of people who are searching for this hearing aids. So I need to search for something more. Otherwise, I can give the location to complete world.
Like occupational therapy, you can search it.
Yes, I can.
What a negative keyword.
Negative keyword means people, if you don't want to show the advertisement for some particular keyword, we can put it in negative keyword.
Okay.
What's the therapy that you had told?
Occupational therapy. O-double-C-U.
Okay.
Yes. A
Occupational.
space. Yes.
Okay, so we have some volume here. So from here we can able to check there are totally 270 clicks we can able to get for a price of 500, and that means for a single cost per click will be approximately it will be around 2 rupees. Okay, so average position you can able to get 2.2. Fine, fine, Vinay.
Then here, if bidding amount is 2.2 rupees.
Yes, no, no, not 2.2. Here the average
Okay.
cost per click is 1.88. For this we have
Okay.
to we can set as maximum CPC as 5 rupees.
Okay. So bidding amount is 5 rupees.
Yeah, suppose if I put 1 rupee cost per click,
Yeah.
I think for 1 rupee I can get a total of 59 clicks, and the position will be of 2.8. That means third position. If you want to be in the first position, we have to increase the budget.
What is this average position?
Average position in the
Oh,
sense, what is the position for the particular search our advertisement has been shown. If it is 2.8, then our advertisement has been shown in the third position.
okay. If 2 rupees you can do, then
Okay. So for 2 rupees, I'll be getting 170 clicks for the cost of 200. For the position will be 2.5.
okay means 3 position. No?
Yes, 3, 4 positions will be there.
Okay.
Fine, Vinay?
Okay, okay. So
Alright.
this is online. Anybody can check, na?
Yes, anybody can check.
Google Keep Planner.
Yes, Google Keyword Planner.
Google Keyword Planner. Okay, well, thank you so much.
Sure, Vinay, sure. Alright, so Nazrin, you have any questions or? Okay, so something is there in the chat. What is that? Okay, so that is from Vinay. Okay, fine, Vinay and Nasreen. So, hope we had seen what is the basics of the Google Ads today. And shall we wind up for today and we will have a meet by tomorrow?
Okay, okay, thank you. No problem.
All right, that's great, Vinay. Thank you very much. So, Nazreen, I'm not sure you are there or not.
Hello?
Hi, Nazreen.
Hello? Yeah. I think my mic was off. I was talking.
How is it? Okay. Yeah, I was waiting.
I just want to ask
Okay.
about my Google My Business.
Ha, ha, ha. Yes, Nazreen.
Regarding Google My Business.
Okay, no problem. You can ask. What is it?
Are you able to hear me?
Right now, I can able to hear you.
Yeah, about Google My Business. Yeah, I want to ask about Google My Business page.
Okay, sure, sure. You can ask me. What is the doubt?
About Google My Business.
Okay, what is the doubt in Google My Business?
No, I just want to say that we can also promote that one. No, in the Google My Business page also we can promote that page.
Google My Business also we can promote that page. Actually, Google My Business is a Google Maps only. So in Google Maps we can promote, not a
Yeah, yeah.
problem. Of course, that option is there. Google My Business, using the advertisement, we can able to promote in Google Maps. Of course, that is also an option which is available. We can promote there as well. That's right. We can promote there as well. For the local
Okay.
searches, we can use a Google My Business. Best
But that
option.
is so. Which one you suggest? Like search is option or the Google My Business
So everything
if
has
you are
its
promoting locally?
yes. So everything has its own requirement. For an example, if you are running a shop,
Uh,
Google My Business ad which you had told, it's a right choice. People can able to easily find nearby. Our cost will be, for the potential audience. Suppose if, for an example, I'm running for the complete India, and when people are searching for some search term in Google search, so there, Google search is the best.
Okay.
And display advertisement are cost effective
Okay. Okay.
advertisements.
Fine.
So suppose if somebody is running an
Okay. Okay.
advertisement
Fine.
in electronics, and if you are having some computers, so it will become, relevant people. So from there we can able to get audience, but they will be of much cost effective. People who are interested, they will click and come, and but they might be or might not be so much of immediate need, but they will be their potential customers as well.
Okay. Okay.
Fine, Azrin. So anything more?
No, not exactly. So that
All right.
so if somebody is starting a new business, so how they can promote it? That one is the website. So once so when exactly we should start promoting that thing on Google?
Haha. Yes. Suppose if somebody is
Like
creating a new
suppose if
website,
I'm started something, yeah,
yes. So we can explore all
yeah, any
the.
like we are coming out some startup.
Yes, so we can explore all the things based on the budget that we have. If we want to go slow and steady, we can start with
Okay,
Google Search ad, and then we can go to the other things. Because Google Search ad, whenever a click happens, it might be costly, but conversions will happen. So if we have a proper
okay,
landing
okay,
page, that is the best option that we have. When it comes to Google products, Google Search is the one best product that we can get
okay,
immediately, where we can get a immediate conversion. Because people will be coming for a need when they are searching for Google Search. When they are looking for buy pen drive online, they will be buying a pen drive in next 10
okay,
minutes. So I might not be require a pen drive, but when I require some pen drive, I'll be buying in next 10 minutes when I reach the Google. So that means they are a highly potential audience. So when these kind of audience comes to our page, and if the pricing is low and if they're happy with the product, then that's all. The conversion will happen. So it's highly quality, highly confident search ad is Google search ad.
okay, fine. And one more thing, I just have a
Yes.
last question. Like suppose if we create a landing page,
Okay.
this thing. So if you want to if we want to promote it in Facebook,
Okay.
so can we put that form like contact form as a Google form there?
Contact form in the Google form. Can you come again one more time?
No, I have just created a like a landing page kind of stuff for Facebook advertisement.
Okay.
So I have integrated this Google form in that.
Okay. Of course, you've
So
seen the
for to get the
Google Forms
contact
also.
info.
Yes, Google Forms also you can able to create using for getting the lead
No,
capture.
we can able. I know how to create, like, but we can integrate it with the Facebook. This when we are doing the promotion, that will be helpful for us.
Uh, I'm actually not sure whether we can able to integrate with the website. I don't know actually, but if we can able to integrate, definitely we can do that. Not a problem.
Okay,
So
okay.
I'll be using some other things like there are some external form
Contact form
capturing,
7, yeah.
yeah, contact form creation kind of options were there. Even if you don't have a contact form, there are external form builders are there. So we just need to put the script.
Yeah,
Automatically
yeah,
the
they are
form
there.
will come. So from there, we can capture the lead. But Google Forms is a good option,
Okay,
but
okay.
I'm not sure how to integrate. I'm yet to explore that.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
This thing.
All right, Nasreen. Thank you very much. Fine then. So we will meet by tomorrow on something more on Google Ads, and we will explore from there.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you very much.
So when tomorrow, what would be the topic, sir?
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow, what is going to be the topic?
Tomorrow we are going to explore the Google's in-depth details, like what are the options that we have, and how to create an advertisement. And one day we'll be having the display advertisement. Let me to check what is the plan for tomorrow, and I will update you.
Okay.
We are going to see how to target the audience tomorrow. Okay, so how to target the right audience through the Google Ads, so that we will be seeing, and what are the bidding strategies that are possible we can able to create.
Okay. Thank you.
All right, sure. Thank you very much,
Okay.
Nazreen.
Bye.
Okay, take care. Bye.